Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's maths class? Yes, in today's maths class, we are going to see a new chapter. What is it? Time. What is it? Time. You all know to see time? You all can say what is the time now? Yes? If you don't know, don't worry. We are going to learn how to see time. Okay? So now on, we are going to know how to see time. Yes? So, see, with an example, we will start. Okay, children? Take out your maths book. Take lesson number 10. Yes, did you all take it? Put today's date on the top. This is a good habit, right? Yes. Ricky and Simran have come for boating with their parents. The boatsman tells them to wait for 15 minutes. The children ask how long 15 minutes are. So Ricky and Simran have come for a boating. So they in that ticket counter they are telling to wait for 15 minutes. How long will the 15 minutes will be? So when you know to see the time, you can easily know, right? So Mama and Papa are going to explain it. Yes? So I'm going to explain you. Are you all ready? Yes. A watch has numbers from 1 to 12. So you all have a watch at your home, wall clock. Yes? And you all have a watch, a wrist watch, right? So your parents will have and you will have a clock at your home, right? Yes. This is a model of a clock that I am having at my home. So, a watch has the numbers from 1 to 12. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So till 12 the clock will have. Okay. It also has big and small marking on its face. In this clock you don't have a big and small marking. So in all the other clocks you will have a small marking in between this. As shown on this picture, see, a small marking is given, right? It will be there. The bigger marking are for hours and the smaller markings are for the minutes. Okay? What is it? The bigger is for the hours and the smaller is for the minutes. Okay, children? Yes. There are two hands in the watch. Okay, this one and two. Okay, the short hand. What is it? The short hand. See, there are two hands, right? This is stuck. Just a minute. So this small hand is there, no? This small hand is for her hand, okay? We will say the her, okay? This small hand is for hour and the big hand, it is big, no? This is for minutes. This is for hour and this is for minutes. When the minutes hand go around, the time will change. See, now it is in 8, right? Now when the clock is going around, the short hands goes to 9. Okay? So it says the hour. This is the time and this is for minutes. Okay? So when our hand moves from one number to another number, we call it as 1 hour. Okay? So when it moves from 8 to 9, we will say it as 1 hour. Okay? The minute hand moves faster. This will go fast than this small hand. Okay? It completes one full circle is 1 hour. When the big hand goes and circle, it is 1 hour. Okay? We also use clocks to read time, but we don't we don't wear them on our wrist. We hang them or keep them on the tables or shelves. Watches and clocks comes in many designs and shapes. The common shape is circular or rectangle. Okay, so this is a model of a clock. Okay, children. So what are there in the clock? A small hand and a big hand. Small hand is an hour and this big hand is for minutes. Okay. When it goes around, it is 1 hour. So the big hand will go fast and the small hand will go slow. Okay, children? So, there are so many types of clocks. Okay? In some clocks, you will have small markings in between the numbers. They are called as minutes. Okay, children? The clock is based on the 5 tables. Okay? How it is based on? It is based on 5 tables. Okay? Yes. Reading time. We usually read time in hours and minutes. When a minute hand is at 12, the hand tells what the time is. Okay? So when the minute hand is at 12, so what is the time now? 2 o'clock. Okay, when it goes round and it comes here, now the time is 3 o'clock. Okay. When it is on the sharp 12, the big hand, and where the small hand is there, so This is the time. Okay, children. The hour hands goes round the clock in 12 hours. So we have 12, right? So the small hand will go from 1. Wait. Just a second. So, see, the small hand will move from 12, okay, to 12. Okay, it will go 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. It's bent. Sorry. Now it's going to be 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock. So the hand moves from 12 to 12. So the hand will go for 2 times, 2 full circle. Okay, the short hands goes 2 full circle. Then we call it as 1 day. So in 1 day we have 24 hours. How much hours we have in a day? 24 hours. Okay. When the sun rises is the morning, the sun sets in the evening. The noon is the time the sun is directly over our head. The time between noon and the evening is called the afternoon. Okay, so morning, when we come to school, what will you say? Good morning, right? After the lunch, what will you say? You will say good afternoon, right? So, the time from 12 o'clock to the evening 5 o'clock, it is called as, what is called as? Afternoon. Okay, children? So, the time between evening and the morning is night. So, when you go to your bed, you will say good night and sleep, right? Yes. So, children, we learned what is a clock in today's class, right? Yes. Did you all understand it? Yes. Fill in the remaining numbers in a clock. Draw the hour hand at any number with the time in the box. Okay? So, now take out your pencil. We are going to fill with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry. 6 is given. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So children, I told you, right, the time will be based on the 5 tables, right? Yes. when the minute hand, the long hand is showing 1, it says it is 5 minutes. Okay, when it goes to 2, it is 10. Okay, you all know the 5 tables, right? So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I can write it bigger, right? For you to understand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 1, when it comes to 1, it is 5, 10, 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. So write this also, okay, from 5 to 60. Okay, so when your hand is like this, the small hand is in 1 and the big hand is in 9. So what is the time? 1:45. So what is the time? 1:45. So again one more I am going to give. So what is the time now? The short hand is in 2 and the big hand is in 11. So what is the time? Look what is there in 11? 55. So it is in 2. So the time is 2:55. Okay? Yes. Now we are going to draw our hand in this and going to write time here. We are going to draw 3 o'clock. A small hand and write. Draw a small hand and write 3 o'clock. So one more example I am going to give. So what is the time now? Both of them are in the same place. What is the time now? The short hand is in 5 and the big hand is also in 5. So 5 fives are 25. So 5:25. So like this you have to guess the what? Guess the time. Okay children. So from now on you all will say the time correctly, right? Yes. So in next class we will do the book back exercise. Okay children. Now take a clock and practice yourself. Okay. Get the help from your parents and try to find out the time. Okay children. Will you all do it? Very good. So I will meet you in the next class children. Thank you. Sai Ram.